let's work a more ow sound. It's the diphthong ow. You've got a combination of two vowel sounds. The ah as in cat, ah, and the oo as in shoe, ooh. Ow, ow, ow. What makes this one hard, not because the ow, but be when there's an N that follows. Kind of like when we say mountain, mound, own, mountain, like that. So today these words are, the first one, lounge, lounge, ja, lounge, low, kind of like the word loud, loud. So this O-U, the ow sound, loud, loud. It's very loud in here. It's very loud in here. So when you get that loud, or you catch the D in the roof of your mouth because it's a stop consonant, right? Loud. It's very loud in here. Loud. So then now when we work on the word lounge, you're moving the N up like you'd catch the D. Lounge. Lounge. Ja. Lounge. Lounge. Ja. 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 J, J, Joe, Jared, Ja, Ja, Jack, Jamie. So it's lounge, lounge. Did you want to visit the lounge at the airport? Did you want to visit the lounge at the airport? Lounge. And then if that is kind of hard still to pronounce, work on lounging, 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 lounging. I'm lounging around the house today. I'm lounging around the house today. I'm lounging around the house today. I'm gonna lounge in the house. And if that one is hard, we can make up a word, loun, to kind of practice that. Loun, like we do the mountain. Loun, 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 loun. That's not a real word that I know of, but so we can work around with a few words. Loud, loud, or you can go loud, loud, quick D, la da 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 da, loud. That was very loud, loud, loud. It was a very loud evening. Next one, cloud. With the D's following instead of the N, makes it quite a bit easier. So loud, cloud. There was a very loud cloud in the sky. Obviously not true, but cloud, cloud. The skies have lots of clouds today. The sky has lots of clouds today. Next one is found. The ound, found, 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 found. I found a pair of old shoes. I found a pair of old shoes. I found a pair of old shoes. I found out I like to clown around. I found out that I like to clown around. Sound, sound. Got the S, ound, sound, sound. The sound in the movie was great. The sound in the movie was great. Or the movie, The Sound of Music was wonderful. The sound of music was wonderful. This might be a repeat, the word town. town. I'd like to go around town. I'd like to go around town. And of course, there's always also the word downtown, right? Ow, ow. Own, 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 own. Downtown, downtown. Bow, bow. Ow, 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 ow. Bow. Please take a bow. Please take a bow. Ounce, 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 ounce. I need 3 ounces of water to bake my cake. I need 3 ounces of water to bake my cake. And the last word is easier. Ouch, ouch, which is 1 letter short of spelling out the word couch. Ouch, ouch, couch. Ouch, couch. Ouch, I fell on my couch. Ouch, I fell on my couch. Ouch. I hope this helps. And when we think of these pronunciations, this should help. Ouch. Ch, ch, ch. And remember to, in case you're pronouncing these words in the back of your throat, instead of ch, 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 we're gonna go ch, 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 releasing the air here. Ch, ch, instead of ch, ch. Okay? I hope that really helps.